When we catch the ball, we like the three fingers looking at us. So we can make a decision with our fingers because the middle finger stereotypically is taller than the other fingers. And what happens is the middle finger may do what's up top, an A release, and what's on the bottom here, a B release. We're going to show what happens in that first stage. If it's done by instinct or adaptation, that's only going to be a feel for you. And that can be changeable result-wise. We deserve to have each day to shoot the same way, getting better. So here, up top is an A release. Let's watch up top. The middle finger lowers toward the ring finger and is equal with the index. So we can get a two at the same time release with our index and middle, and the ring finger can still be on the ball longer to help that release. Below, we have the same scenario setup. So the first time, the middle finger went to the right and lowered toward the ring finger and leveled with the index. Same height, same distance away from the basket. Down below, and that was an A release up top. This is a B release. Down below, the ring finger and middle finger will become equal because the middle finger tilts toward the index. And we have the basketballs there so that you can see the balance effect. And now at the B release below, the index finger is going to move forward on the ball and stay on there longer. So those are the two releases. And these are releases based on knowledge. You hearing this does not dilute instinct. It doesn't dilute adaptation, trial and error. It just allows those types of ways of getting better at something to be attached to knowledge, an exact way of doing something. It could be a cornerstone of a building, a blueprint of an entire functioning entity. And these types of things allow us a benchmark, same time release.